Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Acorns app step by step. Open Acorns, create an account, verify your email, and link a bank to enable roundups and recurring investments immediately. Choose a portfolio based on your risk tolerance and set up found money offers to earn bonus investments. I will show how to monitor your balance, adjust contributions, and use the app's tools to grow small savings into meaningful investments. Set your contribution cadence and amounts to match your budget and goals. Start with a small recurring transfer and enable roundups so spare change automatically invests after each purchase. Learn how to use one-time deposits and boosts when you want to accelerate growth without changing your routine. I'll explain how to schedule transfers, pause contributions if needed, and how those choices impact your long-term savings and investment habits in a friendly, practical way. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a nice companion for learning about finance on the go and for relaxing between investments. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Review your portfolio allocation and risk profile to ensure it matches your goals and timeline. I'll explain what each portfolio type means, how to rebalance when allocations drift, and when to change your risk level as goals evolve. See how found money and partner rewards boost your balance without extra effort, and learn simple checks to monitor fees, tax forms, and performance so you can make confident decisions about your micro-investing strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.